Christian from BOTB, how are you?
Not at all bad. Hello.
What does today have in store for you, Chris? What are you up to?
Well, I'm beginning to wonder now.
Well, it's going to get better, that's for sure. You entered into our BOTB Lifestyle competition. Chris, I'm
Yes.
pleased to say you won the Gadget Tech Bundle.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
There is so much stuff in this bundle. There's like TV, phone, tablet, laptop, headphone, speaker, camera, and £10,000 to go with it.
That's good. I'm just about to retire.
No way, fantastic. What are you retiring out of?
IT.
IT, amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
How was your career, Chris?
Average.
Happy to retire?
Yeah, towards the end of it, I've had enough.
Yeah, I bet. Well, massive congratulations. It's a fantastic bundle. Obviously, you like your tech.
Thank you.
You worked in IT. Did you see it on the website and you thought, well, that's the one for me?
Oh, yeah. Well, the cameras are one of the most important things. I like taking pictures. So
It's a 90D, a Canon. It's a fantastic bit of kit. So that was the bit that caught your eye.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
I would say you could buy lots of film with the 10 grand, but you don't need to. It's digital.
No, that's one thing that's changed in my lifestyle is you don't have to buy film anymore and wait for it to be developed and all that rubbish.
There you go. Yeah, it's
and then
instant.
find out the picture, and then you find out the pictures are no good.
Exactly. Well, huge congratulations. What made you enter the BOTB competition?
I saw it on the telly and I thought, we can't not do that, can you?
Got to give it a go.
Yeah.
Who do you think you'll tell first about your win?
Well, I think she's probably already listening in the other room, so.
She probably won't believe you until the money lands in your account and this big delivery van turns up with loads of kit.
Yeah, that's it. Then she's got to find a place for a big telly.
Yeah, that's true. That's very true. Yeah. Whereabouts do you live, Chris? Where's home for you? Where in the country?
Kent, in Sittingbourne in Kent.
Lovely. Oh, I like Sittingbourne. Very, very nice place. Well, huge congratulations. Do you think you'll try and celebrate a little bit at the weekend?
I think we might, as it looks like the weather's going to be nice. So, yeah, we probably will.
Absolutely. Fantastic. Well, I just wanted to video call you and give you the good news.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure. Well, have a great rest of your day and we'll speak to you a little bit later.
Yeah. Lovely. Thank you very much.
Nice one. Cheers, Chris. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.